If you're trying to decide between Linux Mint and here's a clear comparison to help you pick the one that fits you best. Linux Mint is built on Ubuntu, and in one edition on Debian with the goal of making Linux feel familiar, especially for users coming from Windows. It offers a polished desktop experience with the Cinnamon or Mate XFCE environment that many find intuitive and comfortable. The system comes preloaded with everyday software such as web browser, Office Suite, media tools, so you can start using it right out of the box without much setup. It's also known for high stability and compatibility, making it a great choice if you want a reliable system that just works. On the flip side, because it follows a more conservative release schedule and focuses on stability, it doesn't always give you the very newest software versions or bleeding-edge features. Also, if you like deep customization or want the latest kernel hardware support, you might find yourself occasionally chasing newer packages. EndeavourOS, on the other hand, is based on Arch Linux and embraces the rolling release model, meaning updates come continuously rather than in big version jumps. It gives you access to Arch's massive software ecosystem, including the Arch User Repository which opens up many more packages and cutting-edge software. The install process uses a GUI installer but leaves you more freedom to build your system according to your preferences, which means less pre-bloat and more control. It's ideal if you enjoy tinkering, want the latest drivers and software, and don't mind occasionally dealing with system updates that might need extra attention. The trade-off is that because of the rolling model and minimal default setup, it can be less plug-and-play for beginners than Linux Mint. In summary, if you're looking for something stable, easy to install and maintain with minimal fuss, Linux Mint is an excellent choice. If you're more comfortable with Linux, want continuous updates, more freedom, and plan to customize your setup or use advanced hardware, then EndeavourOS is a strong option. Either way, you'll be using capable Linux systems. It's mostly down to how much setup and maintenance you're willing to do and how cutting edge you want your system to be.